Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox two new beauty boxes released by The Next Beauty. I am talking about the SOS Skincare Edit Hydration box and the SOS Skincare Edit Radiance box. Both beauty boxes are retailed for £18 but have different content overall value. The SOS Skincare Edit Radiance box is worth over £83 and the SOS Skincare Edit Hydration box is worth over £64. Inside, The Next Beauty claims we will find a mixture of travel size, deluxe size and full size products. Let's start with the SOS Skincare Hydration box. I did not mention that they changed the packaging. As you can see, the beauty boxes did not come in that Next classic brown box. I don't know if all the new beauty boxes will come in this packaging or if only these beauty boxes have it. I don't know, we will see that in time. The first product is a face mask from the brand Beauty Pro called Squalane Nourishing Face Mask. It is a plant-based face mask that uses olive, passion fruit, organic sweet orange oil and organic almond oil to deeply hydrate, replenish and enrich the skin. The second product is from Pixi, the Rose Tonic. Naturally soothing and rich in nutrients, this tonic helps to tone, balance pH, minimize redness and calm skin. Rehydrates, replenishes and refreshes. Third product from the beauty box is from the brand This Works, Evening Detox CBD Booster plus AHA Complex. A powerful booster with 1% CBD and 15% AHA complex for cleaner, calmer, more even looking skin. May be applied directly to the clean face or may be mixed into your moisturizer. The next product is from the brand Nude Sticks, is a face cleanser called Gentle Hydra Gel Cleanser. Is a vegan, non-foaming, clean water-based gel facial cleanser that naturally removes makeup, clarifies skin and gently extracts skin impurities without any harsh chemicals and fragrances. Product number 5 is from the brand Emma Hardy Lotus Flower Treatment Cream. Is a face cream infused with antioxidants that help to defend the skin from harsh environmental aggressors, promoting a brighter, even-looking skin tone. The moisturizer seeks to reduce the appearance of large pores and hydrate the skin with a cocktail of nourishing ingredients. The last product from the box is a mini face essence from Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Skin Smoothing Essence. Is formulated to smooth and hydrate skin, leaving it prepped for the next products in your routine. Powered by 3-enzyme technology to promote skin cell renewal, it helps to improve the appearance of skin tone and texture. I am done with the SOS Skincare Edit Hydration box. Now let's move to the SOS Skincare Edit Radiance box. This time we have a cute orange box. It is small and lightweight like the previous one, well, maybe a little heavier, and inside we have Murad Renewing Cleansing Cream. Reveal glowing, healthy, younger looking skin by exfoliating away dead skin cells and deeply hydrate to increase moisture and firmness. No matter what anti-aging products you are using, a skin cleanser that leaves skin radiant is an essential part of any anti-aging skin program. Murad is a brand that I like and trust. Now I'm using a face serum from Murad and I like it a lot. Definitely this product will find its place in my skincare routine. Next we have a product from the brand Elemis Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow. A brightening toner designed to boost radiance and smooth skin, infused with AHA-rich fruit vinegar to help gently exfoliate the surface of the skin and brighten the complexion. Product number 3 is from Dr. Hauschka Facial Toner. Suitable for normal, dry and sensitive skin, the multitasking formula supports the skin's natural cleansing and renewal processes, balancing moisture levels, regulating oil production, and minimizing the appearance of pores. Here I have a product that I know is the RADIANCE Beauty Flash Balm. Beauty Flash Balm is formulated with 96% naturally sourced ingredients for a powerful radiance boosting cocktail. Restores skin's youthful glow, diminishes signs of fatigue, smooths and soothes the skin. Product number 5 now is from Nuxe Moisturizing Plumping Cream. Is a rich moisturizer formed from 97% natural origin ingredients to deliver long-lasting hydration. Infused with a blend of sweet almond milk and oil, wood sugar and red seaweed extract, the cream nourishes the complexion for softer-looking skin. With the brand Nuxe, I didn't have a best experience. All the products tried from them were fragranced badly. I hope this cream is not, so I can use it. The last product from the box is from the brand Pericon MD. Another amazing brand is the Cold Plasma Plus Advanced Serum Concentrate. A multitasking powerhouse, this advanced face serum concentrate promotes the 9 most visible signs of healthy, youthful-looking skin. Targets and dramatically improves loss of radiance, uneven texture, uneven tone, discoloration, redness, enlarged pores, fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of firmness. These are the products from the SOS Skincare Edit Hydration box and the SOS Skincare Radiance box from the Next Beauty. Which box you like more? You decide. If you ask me, I will say that the Radiance Edit box is the best one, and this is because the products from the box are closer to what I like to use. I hope you liked today's video, guys. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!